So HIMS just came out with a new product. This is kind of exciting because HIMS is positioning itself to look kind of like a tech company without actually being a tech company. The reason I say that is because tech companies are often focused on technology, obviously, and innovation. Now, does HIMS have a lot of technology in their platform? Maybe a little bit with the personalization thing, and then maybe in the future with AI providers and whatnot. But the point that I kind of want to get across with this video is their innovation, okay? And we see this with a brand new product that they released today. Or, sorry, not today, a few days ago. Let's check it out. From roots to ritual, meet the biotin and minoxidil. I'm butchering that. Minoxidil gummy through hers, okay? So you can check out this site if you want to, but basically it is a hers branded. So the other side of HIMS is hers for women. It's a hers gummy that basically promotes hair growth, okay? And it has biotin, has minoxidil. I didn't know what minoxidil was before this video, but apparently it helps with growing back hair. I know what biotin is. I mean, I have long hair. I used to take biotin, and it helps with hair growth and nail strength and health, right? So, as you can see, they came out with some apple-flavored prescription gummies. And this kind of goes along with their personalization aspect of their business. They're really trying to tailor their products to pretty much everyone. You know, maybe some people don't want to use creams or foams on their head. Maybe they don't want to take pills. They can take gummies. They're really trying to make everyone feel kind of included and try to find their preferences with the products. Let's read this real quick. This groundbreaking gummy solution is setting a new standard in personalized treatment. Formulated by dermatologists, it combines prescription strength minoxidil, a doctor-trusted ingredient to kickstart hair growth, regrowth, and biotin, a key B vitamin that supports healthy hair, skin, and nails. Together, the gummy is a once-daily dose that's designed to help women stick to the prescribed hair regimens as deemed clinically necessary by their provider to address their individual needs. From its core ingredients to its delicious green apple flavor, to its sleek, elegant packaging, every detail was considered to create a convenient, modern, and delightful solution built with women's unique preferences in mind. Because the truth is, it doesn't matter how well a medication works if it's not taken consistently. Our mission was to give providers another option to address the unique needs of their patients in making available a treatment designed to foster habit through genuine desire, not forced routine. All right, let's watch the video.
From the beginning, we set out to design a new, innovative solution for women's hair loss. A treatment that isn't hidden away in a cabinet, but could be enjoyed as a special part of your routine. And we couldn't be more excited about the result. Introducing the first ever prescription gummy for hair regrowth. A treatment for female hair loss, expertly formulated into a delightfully delicious green apple gummy. Its custom shape was developed in-house. We designed our own prototypes to find just the right feel.
Okay, I am a cinematographer and photographer. This commercial looks super high quality. I love the shots that they're using. It just kind of helps with the branding of, you know, they're trying to go for the sleek and modern look. I feel like their commercials have always been really high quality and really, you know, modern.
It's designed to be easy to grab from a jar and fun to eat, with a soft and bouncy feel that reflects the overall experience. Over 30 unique color formulas were explored before perfecting the green apple hue. As a top priority, the gummy needed a flavor profile that wouldn't just mask the taste of prescription ingredients, but also be exciting to taste every day. The natural flavor of crisp green apple was a perfect match. Shape, color, and flavor all come together in one tiny but powerful bite.
This innovative gummy treatment is skillfully made and infused with natural flavor. Designed to fit perfectly into your routine, this is an apple a day you'll never want to skip. This gummy is formulated to be delicious as well as personalized to your unique needs.
It's making me hungry. Kind of want some gummies. Maybe I'll help with my long hair.
It's compounded with biotin to support healthy hair and minoxidil, a clinically proven ingredient for kickstarting hair regrowth.
Clinically proven.
This is science-backed care designed for long-term solutions. Every aspect of the biotin and minoxidil gummy is carefully considered. The development process ensures safety and quality in every batch. Each gummy goes through rigorous automated and manual safety checks from first step to final set. And the 503A pharmacy that compounds the gummies holds itself to the highest industry-leading standards to ensure authenticity and quality. Then, each jar is packaged and shipped directly.
Ooh, look at that packaging, okay? I kind of just want to use HIMS just for the branding of it, honestly.
To customers for a seamless experience.
Formulated to be enjoyed, the biotin and minoxidil gummy brings bold innovation together with an unbeatable experience. For a treatment that delights, one bite at a time.
Bro, they should get me to film this. Okay. I'm joking. Cool. So, do I honestly care about this as an investor? Not so much the actual gummy. I think it's cool. It doesn't really matter too much to me. I think the idea is that they're innovating, okay? And that is so important for a company nowadays, is that there's so much competition. It is so important that HIMS is finding a way to innovate this historically very boring industry, like pharmaceuticals and, drugs and medicine. It's really cool that they're able to personalize these things into gummies, into things that make it more exciting, right? People often say, if you want to make a lot of money from people, get them addicted to your product. Now, obviously, we don't want people addicted to drugs, but the idea is that it's exciting, it is appealing, and it's not just taking a pill every day. It's actually a more fun way to take the medicine that you need. The thing I love about HIMS is that they're constantly innovating. And so they have these sections of their business, such as sexual health, which is kind of what everyone knows them as. The erectile dysfunction pills. They have dermatology, mental health, and then weight loss, which is the thing that gets investors excited the most. And we'll talk about that as well. Coming soon, they have testosterone and menopause, which kind of go hand in hand with the HIMS and HERS brand. And then they're going to come out with longevity. Don't know what exactly that means. I'm assuming that means anti-aging stuff. Sleep, which I think would be really beneficial. And then preventative medicine, which will probably come in the future. So you can see they're constantly innovating each section and then also coming out with more ideas to capitalize on the huge market of people who want these items. But you know what? Investors really get excited about the weight loss stuff. We see that reflected in the price right here. We saw this huge run up. I had a trade open for HIMS randomly and it just spiked overnight. But yeah, it went from 28 to 42 in like overnight. And then obviously it came back, and then we saw this quite big run up based on that Novo Nordisk news. It kind of looks like a cup and handle type of formation. It's a trading pattern where you see the cup and then the handle here, and we're seeing it come back up. So we might see we're finally out of this consolidation range. We might be coming back out of it right here. But only time will tell. Does this mean we're going to 70? I think this chart kind of shows that we're going to be going higher. The gummy thing, it ran up and then got sold off pretty quickly. We've been seeing that with any good news, it kind of gets bought up in the morning, sells off during the day, runs up in the morning, gets sold off. So I think for us to go higher, I think it's just going to go higher now. I think enough people took their profits, and so we might be seeing this thing it'll either go to 70 or just kind of stay in this range. But I do not think we're going lower than $51, which is honestly great news. Am I buying at this level? If I had extra cash on hand, I probably would start buying here just because this thing will probably start going higher. To be honest, it seems like investors like the weight loss thesis a bit more than everything else. So we didn't see a huge pump with the gummies that were just announced because they're more on the hair loss front. If we get any more Wegovy or, Ozempic or GLP, basically, if we get any more GLP news, this thing will run. If you're interested in investing in HIMS, I would definitely do your own research. This thing is a cash cow, amazing founder-led CEO. There's so many reasons to be bullish, and I made a video about this a few months ago, right before it ran up, like right here. We've had an impressive run, and I think we're going higher. So that was the gummy presentation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.